So taping for Achilles tendinopathy. This is something I often see, and even for Sever's disease, for kids who are obviously in that juvenile area of obviously having Achilles pain. We can also use this taping technique for retrocalcaneal bursitis as well. So you'll find that the bursa around the back of the heel here can get thickened and obviously swollen, and then that obviously creates pain. Well, obviously we've got the Achilles itself, so obviously if that's in a situation where it's either inflamed or it's then moved on to a chronic tendinopathy, then both of these techniques work beautifully for it. It's probably one of the easiest of all the conditions to tape. So firstly, what we need to do is obviously just have the foot in as much sort of flexion, dorsiflexion as we can. So what you can do is come down here and just hold the foot like so. This is going to be our stabilisation. So we're going to basically tape right underneath the heel itself like so. So that will be our anchor. Obviously peel off our backing tape like so and run that along the length of the Achilles and also a little bit up into that musculotendinous junction of the calf. Peel it down both sides so it adheres, and then obviously then we can decompress exactly where they have the pain. So if the pain is in the Achilles in this area here, that's where we're decompressing. So simple, just split through the middle, straight over the top, and then you'll basically decompress right over that Achilles tendinopathy. And that can be worn up to 5, even basically 7 days. Now, if you've got a retrocalcaneal bursitis, then you're obviously looking at taping right over the back of the heel here. So quite simply, same scenario again, make sure the foot is in dorsiflexion and then decompress straight over and done. So Achilles tendinopathy, retrocalcaneal bursitis.
If you liked this video and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe below and don't forget to hit the notification button.